Hi, today we're gonna go one level up and learn how to connect a web camera to our OBS Studio recording. So I connected USB camera from I have a desktop monitor with built-in web camera. Let's check it out how to add a source, which is okay, let's check it out. What should it be? Video capture device, I believe. Okay, yeah, it works. Very good. Very good. And this video is pretty much experimental, behind the scenes, so I believe I need to get order in my room and probably fix that camera works a little better and my look is better, but just for experimentation we can respect the okay, how to move. Not sure if camera is okay. It's probably need to be cleaned. It's probably configure video. We set default settings and everything. Resolution, custom, okay, default resolution, FPS, color space. You can set everything default and the defaults just everything. Okay, and then I can manage my video input source and basically adjust my position of my web camera source on the screen to whatever I like. I saw some people use it bottom right corner, but I need to manage to look to the camera, not at my video, so probably, but somewhat control what I say. But anyway, it works, so we try to save it.